and this is a short review of Introduction to Data Analysis, which is an intensive course from Codecademy. I really loved the previous course I've completed on creating websites from scratch. By the end of the previous course, I've learned how to create fully functional websites like this one. This is my personal portfolio website, which integrates the email marketing campaigns, which is interactive. You can check all these reviews from other people who worked with me in the past. You can check my, I don't know, story, where I come from, what I've done in the past, whatever. So you can check my resume, etc. I really love that course, and that's why I actually went for Introduction to Data Analysis. I really love the description, and that's why I started it in the first place. And some of the things which you will learn in this intensive is data visualization with Matplotlib, data analysis with pandas, basic statistics, A/B tests, which is really important for me, and data acquisition with SQL. I really love the description. I love the story of the author of the course, and that's why I actually started this project. Um, so actually, I just purchased the course yesterday, and currently I have to uh, read through the introduction, setup, and pre-work. Here you are taught basic Python syntax, setting up Python in your machine, all the communication and required software like free Google Chrome web browser, or you have to create GitHub account to actually submit your capstone projects in future. So I've done that within like a couple of hours, and I started with unit 1 right away, which is data visualization with Matplotlib. I am super excited about this unit. It's super interesting, and within just 2 days, I was learning for about 6 to 8 hours. I'm not sure how much altogether on Saturday, and today Sunday. And within this time, I've learned how to create different types of charts using Python and Matplotlib library. I have created my I've completed my first personal project on my computer, which is super cool. So here's what I've got so far. Um, Miniconda, and we'll open Jupyter Lab. Just want to show you how my very first project looks like and what I've actually done. So you are provided with all the data sets for the problem, and you have to actually write the code to create to visualize your findings, like number of different lines bought over last year, uh, website visitors over last year. So you actually learn how to create all these cool line charts using Matplotlib, and you can actually save it as a PNG file, transport one, which you will be able to use for a presentation or use on your website or whatever in future. So this is really cool so far. And also, I've gone through all first 10 days, and by the end, I've learned again about all different types of charts and how are those created in Matplotlib. So line charts with shaded errors. So this chart actually shows the average, like the findings which you um, got from your analysis, and you know that those findings are probably 10% unclear, or have 10% error in general. So here it is. Here's the chart which you would create in this case. And you learn about all other different um, chart types, like side charts, how are those created, and you learn about the Python uh, code which you actually have to write to make this chart possible. And again, you learn how to save this file and have it as a new transparent picture on your computer. So I'm really in love with this course so far. Hope it will be as easy and as interesting in the future. But I will do the further Unit 2 review next week. See ya.